Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to be looking at our wood finishing oils. In general, using an oil to finish either stained or bare wood is a good option to provide protection from daily use, weather and moisture resistance. And oil will really bring out the natural beauty of the wood, and the good thing with oil is that it's really easy to apply, so anybody can treat their wood while achieving stunning results. When it comes to choosing a specific oil, it mostly comes down to the environment the item is going to be used in and how you want the finished article to look. So in this video we'll concentrate on our teak oil. Our teak oil is formulated using a traditional recipe of pure tung oil and linseed oil, so it's completely safe and non-toxic and is our preferred oil for garden furniture, windows, doors, cladding and fencing, among other things, as it provides UV protection to slow down the green process of not just teak but all other exterior and interior wood. It's the perfect product to replace lost oils through weathering, bringing back that rich golden honey colour, while preventing drying, warping and splitting, giving the piece good water and dirt resistance. And remember, although it's called teak oil, as teak is widely used for garden furniture, it's perfect for all other types of wood. It dries to a lovely matte finish to keep that natural look, enhancing the beauty of the grain. The overall final finish will depend on the type of wood the oil is being used on. Here you can see the effects on three different pieces: beech, oak and walnut, so light to dark coloured woods. See how the oil darkens them to a different degree, and remember that grain will really pop differently through the different species of wood. So it's always a good idea to test in an inconspicuous area first to make sure you will be happy with the results. The oil is very easy to apply, just make sure the wood is clean and dry. Apply liberally to a lint-free cloth and simply wipe into the wood following the direction of the grain. The viscosity of this oil is just right, which makes it easy to apply and allows it to penetrate deep into the fibres of the wood, which means any excess can be wiped away after only a few minutes of it being applied. Additional coats can be applied in the same way after the previous has dried to build up the layers and the overall protection. This is a quicker drying oil than some, with a recoat time of only 4 to 6 hours. If it needs it, a light rub down between coats with fine sandpaper just to denib and smooth off the surface will give you that professional finished natural look and feel. So it's that simple and easy to use, and remember, you should reapply the oil annually to keep your wooden items well maintained. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.